we are getting ready for festive feats with Chef D. You are like a man possessed today. You've got so many things going on here.
Well, I wanted to do something different because
you're not a fan of turkey.
I'm not a fan of turkey. I'm not a fan of turkey.
So we have chicken in
we
the
have
panini.
chicken. I know, and we're going to do like a Tuscan sauce for it.
Okay.
So we're going to add a little bit of sun-dried tomatoes, a little bit of mascarpone cheese, a little bit of Parmesan cheese as well, some fresh basil, some rosemary, and away we go. Right.
Okay. You say a little bit of mascarpone cheese, but look at the container
I know.
he's got.
This is how
this is chef size.
That's right. This is how we roll in the Chef D world. Okay, but first we need a little drink.
Okay.
So we have some fresh guava juice in our glasses here.
All right.
I just put in.
Where does one get fresh guava juice?
Sorry, not fresh guava, just guava juice. Sorry. At any grocery store, you can get it. It's not.
Wow,
that
so
came
fancy.
Fresh lime juice. That's what I was looking for. And then we're going to add some Waterloo Radler, grapefruit Radler.
Okay. So this is something for the guests to enjoy while they watch you make this.
100%, or while you're making it. There you go. Try that out.
See, Tim, I get a prepared version,
I know,
not
right?
just out of a can.
Yeah, I know,
Thank
right?
you. Cheers. Oh,
right?
That is so. Oh, I love grapefruit juice.
I know, right? It just kind of.
And it's very good.
So, in my pan here, I'm just going to move this away. Sorry. It's just for the sake of timing. I've sauteed off some onions and garlic.
Okay.
And then we're adding some sun-dried tomatoes. And you can buy sun-dried tomatoes any grocery store.
Yep.
These have oil in them. Sometimes you can get them without.
Do you pat the oil off? Or,
not for this
just
dish,
okay.
But you can, So we're just going to slowly do that. But in the meantime, just kind of over to beside you to the right, in our panini press, is we have our chicken on. And you just start seeing it's just browning up nicely.
Okay.
I'll just take it out and show them. See, it's just browning up nicely. We're almost there, so we're going to turn it over. Now, if you don't have a panini press, you can do this in the oven.
And you're just roasting.
Right, 100%. Or, because the weather's supposed to be so warm.
You could barbecue.
100%, right?
We're barbecuing on Christmas Day.
Perfect. So, while that's doing that,
okay.
Beforehand, I've taken some barley. And barley is that grain that nobody ever thinks about.
Barley is awesome.
Right? So we're going to put some barley in our bowl here.
And it's a good filler.
Right? And some sun-dried tomatoes. Again, this is kind of doing both. If you wanted to, you could put some dry cranberries in with this.
Okay.
You can take it wherever you want to go with it,
so
right?
is the barley, are you serving this warm or cold?
Cold. Well, room temperature is
so you could make it up the day before.
This is what's so great about it, right? So we're going to put this in. Cucumbers.
Okay. We've got 2 minutes left,
okay,
you're telling me.
And then we're just going to quickly, a little bit of fresh basil, because you know how much I love fresh basil.
You like it.
And the whole kitchen smells amazing then, right? So then we're going to put our fresh basil in. I'm going to get you to give that a quick little stir.
Okay.
And then I'm going to give you some olive oil.
Oh, that smells good.
Right? And then we can put it on the plate, because that's ready to go.
Okay.
I'm going to add a little bit of mascarpone cheese to our sauce here.
Am I plating it the whole way
yes,
here?
please.
I'm like the chef's assistant.
There you go. That's beautiful. And then you just start seeing, I took this off the heat because we're just going to quickly melt the cheese. And this isn't like your thick, runny sauce. That's not what we're looking for here, Annette.
Looking for something like really sturdy?
Yes, we are. And we're going to take, you can just start seeing.
Oh, that looks very festive.
Right?
A little more red.
That's what, see, right?
Yeah.
I might not like turkey, but then we're going to take a piece of chicken out of here. Just give it a little cut on the bias.
Now, why do you cut it on the bias? Just because it looks fancier?
Just looks fancier.
Okay. That's a good tip.
We're just going to place that on top, like so.
Nice.
And then I'm just going to take one piece back because you have to try this.
And would this be like a serving for one?
Serving for one or serving?
A very large serving. Okay.
I'm going to cut it like
I don't
that.
have a fork. I'm going to use this spoon.
See what you think?
Because this is going to be delicious. Yeah. Okay, and you're going to have the recipe up on your website?
Yes, 100% we will.
That
right?
is a plate for one, for
Yes.
me.
Okay. And again, just kind of something different.
well,
We
go.
all eat with our eyes. You know, it's that time of year where we're not getting a lot of sunshine. So brighten it up and away you go.
Beautiful. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas,
And
thanks.
to Trish, who sets everything up.
Exactly.
Okay, we'll get the recipe link up on our website.